Welcome to our UW lesson, Foundation Stage 2. Learning objectives. Learners will be able to identify how living things are interdependent. Learning outcome. Learners are able to identify how plants, animals, and humans are interdependent. Let's watch a story. Once upon a time, there was a couple living in a polluted city. Cat Von D and T. Amo. Until one day, Cat Von D felt that her breath became heavy. T. Amo decided to take Cat to the hospital to visit a doctor. Sorry, ma'am, but you have breathing problem. What should I do? I recommend that you live in a pollution-free place. T. Amo decided to take Cat Von D to a place where there are trees and has fresh air. They reached a nice place with lots of trees. In this place, they do not have yet a house to live in. Without those trees, they cannot build their house. But one day, they noticed that the air got hotter and hotter since they cut down trees for wood to make their house. They decided to plant trees, especially fruit-bearing trees. They started planting mango trees. They took care of it and watered it every day. They also put organic fertilizer. Several months later, they are both happy eating mangoes. It was so fresh and delicious because they do not need to spend money to buy fruits. The doctor also found that the breathing problem is gone. In the story, you saw how the humans and plants were interdependent on each other. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, medicines and beauty products, oxygen gas, wood to make furniture, oils, tea, coffee, fibers such as cotton and jute. Humans breathe out carbon dioxide needed by the plant for the process of photosynthesis, and at the same time the humans breathe in oxygen given by the plants. Humans take care of the plant by watering the plants. They also do the trimming and putting fertilizers to the plant. Humans are also dependent on animals as well. But how? Let's do a quick recap. Ducks and hens give us eggs and meat. The cow gives us steak, milk, cheese, butter. The sheep gives us fleece, milk, cheese, butter. Goat gives us meat and milk. We get milk from the camel. Let's do a quick review how animals depend on plants and humans. Animals depend on plants. The cow depends on the grass for its food. The rabbit likes eating carrot which we get from the plants. Giraffe too likes eating grass. The trees give oxygen which is needed by the animals for breathing, and the animals give out carbon dioxide which is needed by the tree to prepare its own food with the help of photosynthesis. How animals depend on humans. Human beings make houses for the animals. They love and care for them. They play with the animals. The animals depend on human beings for food. They also depend on human beings for taking a bath and keeping self clean. Let's do a quick review how plants depend on animals and human beings. How plants depend on animals and birds. Plants provide nuts for the squirrels, fruits for the animals. Some birds sit on the trees and eat the fleshy fruit, dropping the seeds everywhere. This is seed dispersal, means seed dropping. When the seeds drop down, the new plants start growing. How plants depend on humans. Human beings sow seed. They water the seeds and they take good care of it. And because of this, it grows into a nice, beautiful plant. Reflection time. Search an insect in your surroundings and do a research work on how it is dependent on other living things. Don't forget to post a picture in assignments. Thank you.